Brigit Personal Loan Review, Usage Experience. Links to Brigit are in the description. Brigit is not a traditional personal loan provider, but a financial app offering cash advances of up to $250 with no credit check. It's designed for users who need short-term funds to cover small emergencies or prevent overdraft fees. Unlike standard personal loans, Brigit doesn't charge interest, but requires a $9.99 monthly subscription to access cash advances and financial tools. The application process is simple. Users link their bank account, and Brigit analyzes income patterns to determine eligibility. Funds can be deposited instantly with an express fee or take 1 to 2 business days with standard transfer. There's no credit score requirement, making it accessible for those with poor or no credit history. However, the $250 limit may not be sufficient for larger expenses. Beyond cash advances, Brigit offers features like budgeting tools, credit building loans, and identity theft protection. The Credit Builder loan helps improve credit scores by reporting small, manageable payments to credit bureaus. While this is beneficial, users should be aware that the loan doesn't provide upfront cash, but instead functions as a savings plan. Brigit is best for individuals who struggle with cash flow issues and want an alternative to overdrafts or payday loans. However, the $9.99 monthly fee can add up, especially for users who don't need advances frequently. Customer support is available via email, but response times may be slower compared to traditional lenders. Overall, Brigit is a useful tool for managing small financial gaps, avoiding overdraft fees, and improving credit. However, it's not a substitute for larger personal loans, and the subscription model may not be cost-effective for everyone. If you need quick cash without credit checks and can handle the membership fee, Brigit can be a solid option. Check the links in the description for more details.